I think Naveen's session was just a fabulous background for me to take off from there, because a lot of things that he said is something that I will be taking forward. The topic I've chosen is shopper-consumer dynamics, because that is really the essence of what we're talking about. And with my background of having worked literally 20 years in companies like Colgate, GSK, Pernod Ricard, and last Coca-Cola, I've tried to collate in terms of things put together and how we can look at the same. And currently I work as a consultant with a research company called TNS, so trying to take learnings of how, as Naveen was saying, the whole thing about insights and shopper insights is something that I have tried to capture throughout. I think this is one thing that we all could swear by, as all of us are finally practical people who really go around and doing business. Experience without theory is blind. Theory without experience is merely intellectual play. Whatever we do, whatever we say, has to finally fall in place and read well with each other. Let's think of occasions, and I think we should have added chocolates here now since the session just went by. When you last were a shopper or a consumer for FMCGs, just think of those occasions in your mind. Or for something much more higher value, a vehicle for yourself, or maybe for your spouse as a shopper, not the consumer. Or an insurance for yourself, your family, or finally very high-end products like Louis Vuitton, etc., where you need to come to a Land's End or maybe go to an Oberoi to go and shop for someone, or hopefully someone shops for you, you're the consumer and someone else is the shopper. But just think of these occasions and try and think out, were there any differences in the way you behaved when you had any of these? Because these are all different kind of shopping that we are doing, whether it's an insurance, a high-end product, or finally an FMCG that we use on a daily basis. The moment of truth is at the shopping end, and we cannot run away from this. I think this is something that we just heard and we'll hear through the day, and it's something we have to understand, that there is finally that moment of truth that happens is when you put the cash on the table and you pick up the product and take it home. The shopper and consumer are different if they're the same person, or if they're two different people, that one is the shopper and one is the consumer. But the thinking and the psyche of the same person as a shopper and consumer is also different. So when was the last time when you were a shopper or a consumer? Let's look at the shopping dynamics that happened at that time. As I said, shopping could be anything. It is a walk down to the Kirana shop, the kind of shops we just saw in the last presentation, or being driven down by a nice, lovely, in a lovely car by a chauffeur to a Louis Vuitton boutique, or even a telephone call that you make on your mobile is also finally shopping that we talk about. Or today, when you're buying an insurance on the net, or even buying a ticket on the net through a Make My Trip or directly through Go Indigo or whatever, these are all, at the end of the day, shopping occasions that we talk about. So it's not just when we think only the supermarket, hypermarket, and kiranas as shopping as an experience and how consumers behave.